Good morning, students. In this video, you will know what is the use of e-governance, online shopping, and bill payment. Students, first that I am going to discuss that is the e-governance. Okay, e-governance, or you can say this one as the electronic governance, is the use of electronic, that is information and communication technology, okay, tools for governance by the government of the citizens. Okay, the ICT here, ICT, that is information communication tool, includes the internet, local area network, mobile, etc. Students, the use of ICT facilitates providing access to information for the citizen by the government. The government has set up ICT enabled services like registration of birth, death certificate, booking of railway ticket, that is IRCTC, RTI. Yes, many are there, my dear. E-governance, yes, empowered the citizens socially and electronically and enhances their lives by providing them with quality information and better services. It enables citizens to access information directly without paying any extra money, yes, to the middleman or a vendor, my dear. It makes a transparency in the system, my dear. The services of the e-governance, yes, a portal can be broadly classified into, yes, two ways. First, to provide information. Another one, yes, to provide online services. Okay, several state governments have also taken e-governance initiative in the area of agriculture, commercial taxes, employment exchange, land records, police, road transport. Yes, many are there, my dear. So one of the key, yes, governance site of India, that is, you might be knowing, india.gov.in. India.gov.in. This is the website related to e-governance. Now you can see this website has been explored on the screen. This is the national portal of India, which provides a single, yes, window access to information and services being provided by the various Indian government entities, my dear. The contents in this portal is the result of a collaborative efforts of various Indian government ministries and department at the central, state, or district level, my dear. This portal is, yes, a mission mode project under the National E-Governance Plan, yes, designed and maintained by National Informatics Center. Okay. Now you can see at the bottom, this has been developed by NIC. Okay, so you have many other portals also, yes, regarding your Aadhaar card, even filing the income tax. There are many website, e-government websites. So, but I have given you one example by which you can understand, yes, this topic, yes, very nicely. Okay, now the next part, that is your online shopping and bill payment. Students, online shopping is an e-commerce application where the customer can purchase goods over the internet. There are several, yes, a website where customer can go, yes, for online shopping. It can be, yes, purchasing the electronic goods, clothes, whatever items that you want to purchase, that you can purchase it. Okay, now what are the benefits of online shopping, my dear? See, here the customer does not have enough time just to visit a store and purchase goods. The store where you will get what you need may be very far. Okay, the money spent in traveling to the store, yes, if you have the vehicle, that will be the parking charge. Okay, so that can anyhow have the, yes, a budget high, my dear. If suppose I'm going to have purchasing of an electronic item, that is a mobile, so maybe if my electronic shop is very far, there will be traveling expenses also included, my dear. Okay, so this is the main problem. And even due to paucity of time, suppose I'm in office, as I know that the shop will be open at 11 a.m. and get closed at 7 p.m, but my working hour is 9 hours. Okay, I have to reach to office at 10. Okay, and I have to come back, yes, at 7. As I know that at 7 all the shops will be closed, so at that time this online shopping can help me a lot, my dear. Okay, now you have the bill payment also. See, online shoppers generally make payment, yes, using their debit card, credit card. So different websites enable the user to make payments. Okay, like by using net banking, e-gift vouchers also. Suppose you purchase, you get the voucher also. That voucher you can use for your next purchase, my dear. Okay, so I'm going to, even not only that, you can go for e-recharge also. You can pay the electricity bill, water bill, property tax, income tax, or whatever you want, that all you can do it. Now I'm going to show you one website. You must be aware about this website. This website is flipkart.com. This is also an online, yes, company, is shopping company. So first of all, you have to log in. Okay, and then you can proceed further. So as you can see, already been I have logged in. You see, you can see my account. Okay, it is showing, yes, my account already registered with this. So whatever you want to have, suppose electronics, you click on electronic. Now there related with that, many items will be there. Yes, wired, headphone, soundbar, home, suppose home theater. So I will click on that. Now which one you like? Okay, I like this one, click on that. Okay, as you can see, yes, what offers you have. Actually I'm not having, yes, my credit card, debit card, so I have to go by net banking. Okay, so before that you must have to give your, yes, pin code. Okay, now you read all things. Okay, if you are satisfied, then you click on buy now. Okay, now it is showing, my dear, that the item which I purchased, that cost is 2,799. Now, okay, now you just see the same, the product, it is available or not. Now here it is showing 2 offers applied. You can go through that one. Okay, whatever the offers. Okay, now click on continue. Now here it is asking the payment option, how you want to go for UPI, wallet, credit card, net banking. Yes, whatever you have. Okay, I want to go for net banking. Click on that. You have to give the user ID, net banking ID and password. Okay, like that you have to go. But before that, you must have to select your bank. My bank is State of Bank of India. Okay, now here click on pay 2,799. Now here I will be asked the net banking ID and the password. So I don't want to just go further, my dear, because you all know how you can do the bill payment, yes, online. I hope you have understood these all topics. Thank you, my dear.